A fireplace is associated with cosiness, but it can quickly disappear if it's too hard to light the fire. Before they installed an Exodraft chimney fan, Grethe Ustgard and her husband often avoided using their fireplace. The problem was that we almost never got the fireplace going because the draft was too poor and the flames died out. And we were annoyed with having a fireplace that didn't work. We always had to open the door to get sufficient draft, and that wasn't cozy at all. Nor did it provide the heat we'd hoped for. After we had the chimney fan fitted, the stove works brilliantly, and that's a delight. Now we enjoy the fireplace and the heat coming from it, and we no longer get annoyed with a fireplace that doesn't work. So we are very happy. The chimney fan from Exodraft on top of your chimney ensures immediate and consistent chimney draft, while simultaneously reducing the emissions of particles by 80% in the living room and 20% outside near the chimney. Get more comfort from your fireplace with an Exodraft chimney fan.